So hello guys, how are you? I'm fine and you? Hope are you good and I am also good and today I will introduce a new USDT like USDT or the gaming site is with the launch today and Roseman website is will launch today and Roseman and like the USDT like USDT or the gaming site is with the launch today. How to get an account for the enter email, login password, security password and enter invitation codes. You need to enter the all detail like the email, enter login password, confirm login password, the enter invitation code, and get login your account because I have already created the account in this and click on the sign in now option of this and you can see I have only one touch to do the sign and you can log in successfully. Okay, and I will teach you to the latest announcement of this website is to being the show now and the latest announcement of this website is to be the show the and we can make the promoting the registration of our MR to be get receive your 10% for your income details in this side and 10 USDT for registration bonus disturbing the show now and well consulted in values or the return they need to be recalculated and registered within the 24 hours and Ross was authorized with all promoters to share on a major platform not limited to any platform to be doing this and increase the VIP's membership retail in this and like the 500 USD for VIP. I now click on the I now button in this side and membership level is to be the return details in this side and what is the membership level. Well, a company who can get the introduce the referral like the membership and join the people is this website and this is a company will show you the like notification. This is called the membership list details in this side and you can see I will show you the how to get the upgrading the VIP one in this side. If you have want to upgrade the VIP one in this side, you need to be only recharge the 3 USDT. If you recharge 3 USDT, you can get on up to the 0.60 USDT for day income in this side. If you have recharged the 29 USDT in this side, you can get on up to the 2 USDT for day income in this side and you can see the all detail of the VIP 10 or VIP 9 detail in this side. If you have checked this the VIP detail, you can get the earn out a lot of income detail in this side. And then I will show you how to get the recharge and deposit in this side. If you have want to edit the recharge and deposit in this side, you need to be only the copy this address first. This address will be placed like just to like Binance and sending to be the USD mark and after sending USDT, you need to be only touch on the recharge completing now option of this side. Your recharge will completed in your wallet. And I have already had a recharge in this side and I have clicked onto the VIP this is the main now option of this side and click onto the VIP ones areas in this side. Friends, you can also have successfully upgraded the VIP one and I will going to be completing the simple task today and click onto the go to finish now option of this and unloading is to be started to be successfully and I have going to the completing the simple task today. You need to be only completing a simple task, then I will going to withdraw. If you are going to withdraw into network address, the security password. And friends, you can have click on the VIP and you can withdraw successfully okay and your withdrawal will be made in few seconds in your account while you detail in this ad. And financial record is to be the Chona and withdraw account detail and you can see the team report if you have one-to-one training community set. You can copy the link invitation link first and this link will be based on like the WhatsApp group like Telegram group and you can get on a lot of income detail in this side. If this my video has been good, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon and good bye.